Alright guys, I'm shooting a quick video here on mobile bumper repair and wanted to share this with you. This is the first time I'm trying it and I'm really excited about actually this option to repair the paint on the car without having to take the whole bumper off and paint the whole bumper. And wanted to share this with you, see how it would work and share some of the details with you. On this particular on my 88 here, the front bumper has definitely seen better times, and gonna run through it and give you a quick before and after. The cracks and so on are being sanded or has been sanded out, and some filler being put in, and then we'll do a step-by-step along the way. And we got the talented Manny doing his magic right now, so we'll shoot another video here in a bit and keep you guys updated. Thanks.